السلام عليكم. كيف حالكم؟ How are you, my friend, my dear students, grade 4 students? Today I'm going to explain this worksheet. Before you watch the video, don't forget to give me like and share the video to your friends and subscribe my channel, Mr. معاذ الجباوي. Here I will start. Question number 1. 3 4 over 8 plus 4 3 over 8. Now, when you add two mixed numbers, first of all, you need to add the fractions, then you add the whole numbers. If you add the fractions, 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8, because as you know, when you add fractions, we don't add the denominators, so we keep the denominator, so the answer could be A or B, because they have 8. Now, what about the numerators? We need to add the numerators. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 7 over 8 is the fraction part. The whole part is 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the answer is B, 7 over 8. Question number 2, same idea. 2 plus 3, and we keep the 5. So the answer will be 5 as the numerator. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 5 over 5. 5 over 5, a number over itself equals 1. So the fraction part is 1. And when you add the whole part, 5 plus 6 equals 11. And here we have 1. So the answer is a whole number, which is 12. Now, question number 3. 9 over 13 equals what? Multiply 1 over 13. Of course, we can multiply or change the fraction into unit fraction. 1 over the denominator, multiply the numerator. The numerator is 9. So I need to put 9 here as a whole. So 9 multiply 1 over 13. Even if you want to multiply 9, you multiply the whole number with the numerator only. We keep the denominator, which is 13. 9 multiply 1 equals 9. So just write it like this. We multiply 1 over 13 by 9. Another question. Question number 4. Same idea of the previous question. Fraction multiply a whole number. When you multiply a fraction by a whole number, you keep the denominator. We don't touch it. 3, I keep it as it is. Now I multiply the numerator by the whole number only. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. So the answer is 10 over 3. So the answer is C. Now, other question, how many minutes are in a school day of 5 hours and 35 minutes? He won the answer in minutes. Now I change this 5 hours to minutes. How? 1 hour has 60 minutes. So I multiply 5 by 60. How I multiply 5 by 60, my dear students? 5 multiply 6 equals 30, as you know. And we bring the 0. It becomes 300. And we already have 35 minutes. So we have 335. So the answer is A. Next question. Now subtraction. Here, 4 hours, 25 minutes minus 2 hours, 50 minutes. Guys, you need to remember, you have to start subtracting the minutes. So 25 minutes minus 50 minutes. Because we cannot subtract 25 minus 50, we take 1 hour. This becomes 3 hours. We take 1 hour and we change it to minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So we add 60 to 25 equals 85 minutes. Now we can subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 5, 3. So we have 35 minutes. Now 3, because this 4 hours becomes 3, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the answer is 1 hour and 35 minutes. So the answer is A. Now the other part, which is true or false. Now we have whole number 4 plus 3, 2 out of 7. So because here we have no fraction part, so we keep the fraction as it is, 2 out of 7. Now we add the whole number with the whole number. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the answer is wrong. So the answer is 7. It should be 7, 2 out of 7. So it's false because they have put 9. Now question number 8, which is about time. 4 years, 4 months equals 40 months. Is it correct or no? First of all, we have 4 months and we have 4 years. We know that 1 year equals 12 months, but we have 4 years. So 4 multiply 12, because 1 year has 12 months. 4 multiply 12 is 48. So 48 months plus 4 months equals 52 months. But they put the answer as 40 months. So again, we have here false. In question number 9, we are multiplying a fraction by a whole number. As I mentioned before, we keep the denominator as 8. We multiply the whole number only by the numerator. 3 multiply 5 equals 15. So the answer should be 15 over 8. But what the mistake done here? They multiply the fraction, the numerator by a whole number, and they multiply the numerator by a whole number. So this mistake, and the answer is wrong. So it's again false. Now let's go to last question. Work out. We need to add. As I mentioned before, when you add or subtract, first start by the minutes. 23 minutes plus 55 minutes. Now, as you can see, guys, 3 plus 5 equals 8. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now we add 4 plus 5 equals 9 hours. But here, when the minutes are more than 60, I need to rename it as hours. Now I subtract 60 minutes from it, 78 minutes minus 60, which is 1 hour, equals 18 minutes. So I have 18 minutes. So I subtract 1 hour from this, it will be added to the hours. We have 9 hours. And plus 1 equals 10 hours. So the answer will be 10 hours and 18 minutes, which is exactly 9 hours and 78 minutes. You have to be careful in the hours subtraction and addition. We have to add or subtract the minutes first, and then we add or subtract the hours. Be careful when you subtract the minutes, when you add the minutes, if the minutes are more than 60, we have to rename them as hours. We have to take 60 and 60 and 60. Each 60 minutes, they represent 1 hour. 1 hour. So here, because of that, I subtracted 78 minus 60, which is 1 hour, becomes 18. So I'm left with 18 minutes and 1 hour. This 1 hour will be added to the hours. And if you can go back to question 6, here, when I cannot subtract the minutes, I need to take 1 hour and rewrite it or change it to minutes. And this will be added to the minutes. So here, as you remember, I've added 60 minutes to this. It becomes 85 minutes. Then by this, I will be able to subtract. That was the explanation of the worksheet. I hope it's beneficial for you and helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like. Please share the video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Muad Al Jibawi. Thank you very much.